Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 5 and we are going to present about simulation of the restaurant lighting circuit with proteins. And our team first Muhammad Yudhistira Prakoso and Aldi Zian Hidayat and Diansyah Pratiwi. And next slide. Definition of electric voltage. Electric voltage is the amount of energy required to move a unit of electric charge from one place to another. The electric voltage expressed in volts is also often referred to as the electric potential difference because basically the electric voltage is a measure of the potential difference between 2 points in an electrical circuit. An object is said to have a higher electric potential than other objects because it has a greater number of positive charge compared to the number of positive charge on other objects. Meanwhile, what is meant by electric potential itself is the amount of charge contained in an object. Next slide. Definition of electric current. Electric current, or in English, is often referred to as electric current, which is an electric charge that flows through the conductor in each unit of time. Electric charge is electric.
Sorry.
Eh,
Sorry.
Ya, lanjut.
electric charge. Huh?
Electric charge is basically
Electric charge is basically carried by electrons and protons in an atom. Protons have a positive charge, whereas electrons have a negative charge. However, protons mostly only move within the nucleus of the atom. So the test of carrying charge from one place to another is handled by electrons. This is because the electrons in conducting materials such as metals are largely to move from one atom to another. Yes, and next
Okay,
slide.
so for we for we ukur listrik, so the first is multimeter or ampermeter. This is a multimeter analog, and this is a multimeter digital. So the second is wattmeter. This is a wattmeter. Wattmeter is using for we ukur watt 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 of listrik. So next slide is ohm meter for we ukur ohm, and the last is voltmeter for we ukur volt. So system summary: in this project we make simulation of the restaurant lighting circuit with Proteus, and we measure its direct current. The purpose of the measure is that there is no other voltage and to keep the bright light. The component that we use in this project is electric light switch, DC ammeter, DC voltmeter. So using direct connection between different components of the circuit usually result in many wire cluttering. This may result in connection errors and makes it difficult to understand, debug, or modify the design. The solution to this problem is to use terminals for connection. Terminals are used for specifying the interface to a circuit. Both ends must connect to something, so all the input and output in your design will be indicated by terminals. We use power and ground. There are the power rails that are connected to the hidden pins. So next slide. do this.
Bentar. Oke, desain jika katup ini dibuka, maka kedua lampu di ruangan ini akan menyala. Di ruangan pertama di ruangan sebelah kiri kotak paling atas, lalu di bawahnya ada R1. Jika saklar ditutup, maka kedua lampu L1 dan L2 akan nyala. Jika saklar dibuka, maka lampu akan mati. Lalu di ruangan kanan atas sebelah kanan terdapat dua lampu. Jika L6 dan L7, jika saklar dibuka, maka kedua lampu L6 dan L7 akan mati, dan sebaliknya jika saklar dibuka, maka kedua lampu akan mati. Di ruangan paling besar di restoran terdapat 3 buah lampu, yaitu L8, L9, dan L10. Jika saklar ditutup, maka ketiga lampu ini akan menyala secara bersamaan, dan sebaliknya jika saklar ini ditutup, jika saklar ini dibuka, maka ketiga lampu ini akan mati. Dan di L3 ada lampu L3 di lampu paling depan yang sendirian, sama juga konsepnya. Jika ditutup, maka lampu akan menyala. Jika dibuka, aliran listrik akan terputus, maka lampu akan mati. Dan di toilet ini sebenarnya yang di toilet di sebelah kiri, bagian atas dan bawah, kalau dimatikan dari toilet 2 paling bawah, sebenarnya keempat lampu akan mematikan karena akan jika kebuka, dipencet di ruangan saklar ditutup atau maupun dibuka, keempat lampu akan mati dan menyala secara bersamaan, karena secara struktur listrik dan kabel mereka masih satu aliran listrik. Ya, Aldi, penutupan.
Okay, maybe that's enough from our presentation. Before it, I want to apologize if there are wrong with our presentation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.